Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 17th of February, 2022. Let's talk about Alibaba today. Do you think the stock is about to go parabolic? I mean, do you think the stock price is about to go exceedingly higher than where we are at right now? I'm going to show you all today what I think. I mean, I already got a price prediction on the chart, and I've been noticing the price action recently that makes me kind of contemplate and say, yeah, this market in Alibaba is not really trending weak right now. Market may actually try to go up. So before I talk about all that, if you guys appreciate the videos, the content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I give you something that's out the norm. I trade different, I invest different because I don't follow everyone else. When the majority of the herd does the same thing, you're most likely going to get slaughtered because everyone knows how you're going to act. Fundamental analysis is a herd. Technical analysis is another herd. And everyone knows everything about those two sectors as to why people always lose, as to why people always think that the market is manipulated, as to why people always think that the market is rigged. No, you're just playing a different, you're playing into the mentality of what you've been told or what you've been taught from those who have been in the game for a long time. Have you ever tried just looking at the price bars and the volume? Yeah, you cannot be deceived into understanding what people are doing with their own money. Like, you have real money being placed on the line. This ain't no Monopoly game. This isn't a video game. This is real. People are actually trying to make money in these markets. So once they come in and actually put on a position, whether it's buying or selling, is already dictated, is already being revealed on the price chart. So you only got to see that. You only have to see what price has been doing to understand who's really playing. Now, I know you all know that Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, they have positions in Alibaba. Guess what? You can see it. It's here. Like, they can't hide their footprints. We can tell where these big players are at as well. Everything that has anything to do with a buy or sell for Alibaba, whether it's you and I or Warren Buffett or another big hedge fund institution, their footprints are also here. So why you got to pay attention to anything else? Yeah, join me. This is the community right here for you if you want to make this thing simple and easy. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Now, like I said, I've been looking at the price in Alibaba since I did my last video on the 29th of January. Here we are, February the 17th. What do you think? Right? I told you all even then that I was expecting the market probably not to fall, that I was actually seeing that the market could actually be elevated and go up. And that's pretty much what's been going on. I mean, look at this. Let's talk about it. This price in Alibaba has been maintained its elevation. Yeah, it hasn't been giving us any weakness. And I like that. I like how the market is speaking to us and telling us that even though you may expect the price to go down back in January, it's not acting that way. And when it's not acting the way that you expected it to act, you need to cut it. You need to say, all right, cool. I see what you all trying to do. You're trying to elevate the price in Alibaba, so let me join in with you. I think I'm going to do that today on this video. All right, so let me go ahead and cut this because I don't like what's been going on into the market since my last video. Alibaba, it's been 9% loss, which is cool because if I'm looking for the price to go up, that would increase my losses, right, to maybe 20%. So let me take that 9% now, chop it up, and say, all right, cool. Y'all want to take the price higher? Hey, I'm about to follow right alongside with you all. You feel me? So look at this. The market in Alibaba, I would say since like December of last month, hasn't been doing anything but really consolidating, right? Now, check this out. I don't want you all to think that we're ready for a monumental bullish run. I don't want you all to think that. We still have this area right here to where price can get rejected and still come down, right? So as we approach this level, we need to be cautious of that because that can still pull down Alibaba's price. Got it? Cool. So check this out. Now, what I'm seeing here though is the fact that the market has been consolidating. Now, either when you see a market consolidate, it only means two things, either or. One, the market is accumulating or they're buying more of these shares on the low, or two, they are selling their bags. They're trying to get rid of their positions before price takes another move lower. Those are the only two things you can get. And seeing how price in Alibaba has been in a massive downtrend since 2020 of October, maybe the market may be accumulating. Maybe they're trying to fill the bags. What do you think? Let me show you all the 2-day time frame here into the market in Alibaba, right? So this is another indication to kind of let us know that the market is not that weak right here. You guys can see on this 2-day price bar that the market in Alibaba was giving us some strength. Market was giving us some strength during these 3 2-day price bars. We're seeing strength on this one and this one. The only issue that I'm seeing right now from a 2-day perspective is the fact that price cannot break this level, 128 or $128. We can't, for some reason, price can't break that level. It's like a massive rug is placed over the price and is being restrictive on this upward movement. That's it. Outside of that, yeah, I would be expecting the price to go up in Alibaba. Look at this on the 3-day. Okay. So you guys can see that this market is a rug right there, 128. That's the only issue that I see that is placing a lid on this price. That's it. Now, outside of that, it's going to be around 138. You see that? It's about another $10 increment of us seeing the next level of sellers, right? So for us to get to 138, 140, it's around 10%. Okay, I like it though. And I think that's where we're going to play the market in Alibaba. I'm going to look for it to go up, okay? Because like I said, the whole time the price has just been consolidating. We've been seeing selling, we've been seeing buying, but the market's not going down. It's not going down. And when you see that, you kind of can say, all right, cool. I see where the market is trying to lean towards. Most of the market is trying to lean towards seeing price go up. So let's do it. Let me hit this back over to the daily time frame because you guys can see we got earnings coming up. Expect the price to be volatile around that time frame, either up to or before, for us to see the market go up and or down. But for me, I'm looking for the market to go up. Okay, so I got my first price level right there around 138. Now I want you all to know that we know it now. 128 is where the rug is. That is the ceiling. That is where price is bumping its head. So if we continue to see the market get rejected at 128, guess what? Yeah, don't look for price to go up. It's just that simple. This is how you're able to not be emotional into the market. You just simply read what the chart is telling you. All right, so our first price target is going to be around 138 into the market in Alibaba. Okay. Next level is going to be like 148. Those are going to be the 2 areas that I'm looking for the price in Alibaba to go, but definitely 138 is going to be that level. Okay. So now let me do something real quick before I let you all go. See what we got on the 5-day time frame. Yeah, definitely looking for 138, 140 for Alibaba. It's about 11%. So I'm gonna hold it at 140. From a weekly perspective, yeah, that 150, 148, 150 could also be maintained as well too. But let me just hold it around 140 right now. Okay. So this is it. This is my expectations as to what I'm looking forward to into the market in Alibaba. Now you're part of the team, right? You're part of my community. I want you all to drop me your price prediction, your price target into the market in Alibaba. Once you pay attention to the price, it becomes a lot easier. You know, once you just simply believe what the chart is telling you and follow what the majority of the market is doing. You don't have to come up with no new strategy. You don't have to pay for some type of expensive pricing software. Just simply see what everyone else is doing. All right, so let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.